morning, everybody. It's Wednesday, May 27th, and today is a flex day. That means that there's no new assignments today, and if you have any missing work, today's a great day to get that done and get caught up. What you're going to do after you fill out the video form is hand in any late work to this folder right here. If it's yesterday's assignment, so the assignment on unpacking the standards, you can hand that in underneath yesterday's May 26th tab. But anything else that is actually late and missing from last week or before, go ahead and hand it in right here. Remember, it's your responsibility to look in PowerSchool and see what you have missing. I email you every day, every time you miss an assignment, so you can check your emails. So you have some pretty good information to find out what you are missing. We only have one more flex day after this, so it's important that you get caught up because you're running out of time to catch up. All right, so use your time wisely, hand everything in, and if you have any questions, email me. I'll be on email all day to answer those questions during the flex day. Be sure to fill out the Google form, and I'll talk to you later. Have a great day.